Welcome to Golden Life for Seniors, your trusted space for wisdom, wellness, and lifelong inspiration. If you're over 50, or just seeking life advice rooted in experience, you're in the right place. What if I told you that the secret to feeling lighter and more energetic could be found in a simple morning ritual our grandmothers knew by heart? Today, I want to share with you a gentle, time-tested morning drink that combines 5 simple ingredients to help ease digestion and support a healthier waistline. These aren't miracle ingredients or expensive supplements. They're humble, everyday items that have been used for generations to promote wellness. Let's begin with the foundation. Warm water. Not too hot, not too cold. Just comfortably warm, like a soothing embrace for your digestive system. Warm water helps relax your intestinal muscles, stimulates digestion, and can even give your metabolism a gentle nudge. It's the perfect base for our special blend. Next comes apple cider vinegar, nature's golden elixir. This fermented treasure helps balance blood sugar, supports healthy cholesterol levels, and may even help your body access stored fat for energy. Its acetic acid content works quietly but powerfully to promote better digestion and reduce bloating. Now, let's add some sunshine to our mixture. Fresh lemon juice. Rich in vitamin C, lemon helps alkalize your system, supports your immune function, and stimulates those all-important digestive enzymes. That little burst of tartness you taste, that's your digestive system waking up and saying thank you. For warmth and comfort, we include ginger, nature's soothing remedy. This knobby root eases digestive discomfort, reduces inflammation, and brings a gentle warmth to your entire system. It's like a comforting hug for your insides. Finally, we add a pinch of cinnamon, not just for its delightful aroma, but for its ability to help regulate blood sugar and support a healthy gut microbiome. The sweet spice might just be the missing piece in your wellness puzzle. When combined, these 5 ingredients create a powerful yet gentle morning tonic. Here's exactly how to prepare it. Start with 1 to 2 cups of warm water. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Stir in 1 tablespoon of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar. Include a few thin slices of fresh ginger or 1/2 teaspoon grated. Finish with 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Drink this first thing in the morning for 10 days straight, then take a 3-day break before repeating if desired. Many people notice reduced bloating, improved digestion, and more energy within just the first cycle. As we age, several changes occur in our digestive system that this drink addresses. Our metabolism naturally slows by about 5% each decade after 40. Stomach acid production decreases, making digestion less efficient. The gut microbiome changes, affecting nutrient absorption, and insulin sensitivity declines, making weight management more challenging. This special morning drink helps with all these age-related changes. The warm water relaxes your digestive tract and increases blood flow to your digestive organs by up to 30%. The apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, which helps break down food more efficiently and provides prebiotics to feed your good gut bacteria. Studies show it can lower post-meal glucose spikes by up to 34%. The lemon juice, despite being acidic, has an alkalizing effect on your body once metabolized. It stimulates bile production to help break down fats and contains flavonoids that reduce inflammation throughout the body. The fresh ginger speeds up gastric emptying by up to 25%, which is wonderful for reducing bloating. It contains gingerols that reduce inflammation in the gut lining and has mild thermogenic properties to gently boost metabolism. The cinnamon mimics insulin to help glucose enter cells more efficiently, slows stomach emptying to prevent blood sugar spikes, and contains powerful antioxidants that protect your cells. To get the most benefits from this morning elixir, follow this sequence. Upon waking, drink a glass of plain warm water to hydrate. Wait 15 to 20 minutes before having your elixir. Enjoy it slowly, taking about 5 minutes to drink it all. Wait another 20 to 30 minutes before eating breakfast. This gives your body time to absorb all the beneficial compounds before food enters your system. When used consistently, most people notice increased energy and reduced morning bloating within the first 3 days. Between days 4 to 7, you'll likely experience more regular digestion and find your clothes feeling looser. By days 8 to 10, many notice a visible reduction in belly bloating and often report glowing skin. This formula combines wisdom from multiple ancient traditions. Ayurveda recommended warm water with lemon. Traditional Chinese medicine used ginger for digestion. Ancient Greek physicians like Hippocrates prescribed vinegar with honey. And cinnamon has been prized for its healing properties since biblical times. As Ecclesiastes says, "What has been will be again, what has been done will be done again. There is nothing new under the sun." What makes this practice truly special is how it sets the tone for your entire day. The ritual of preparation becomes mindful me time. The warm liquid is comforting and grounding. Knowing you're nourishing your body builds positive momentum, and the gentle routine creates structure in your mornings. While many notice changes in 10 days, the full benefits often appear after 4 to 6 weeks of consistent use. This is because gut bacteria need time to rebalance. Cellular renewal takes weeks to months. New habits become ingrained, and the body's natural rhythms reset. To enhance your results, stay hydrated throughout the day. Include fiber-rich foods at meals. Practice mindful eating by chewing thoroughly. Take gentle walks after meals, and manage stress through deep breathing. As we age, hormonal changes make abdominal weight particularly stubborn. This drink helps by reducing cortisol-related fat storage, improving insulin sensitivity, supporting liver function to process fats, and decreasing inflammation that contributes to weight retention. While extremely safe, there are a few precautions to keep in mind. Rinse your mouth after drinking to protect tooth enamel. Always dilute the vinegar properly to avoid throat irritation. Listen to your body and adjust amounts as needed. And stop if you experience any discomfort. This simple practice represents something profound: the choice to honor your body's natural wisdom. In a world of complicated solutions, sometimes the most powerful remedies are the simple. My dear friends, I want you to know that feeling vibrant and comfortable in your body is possible at any age. This morning ritual is a gift you give yourself, a daily reminder that you're worth caring for. Thank you for spending this time with us. If this video touched your heart, please give it a like, share it with someone who needs to hear it, and subscribe to join our Golden Life community. New videos every week, crafted for your mind, body, and soul. Until next time, take care and stay golden. If you're enjoying this content, you will love our next video and gentle exercises to strengthen your core after 50. Check the link appearing on your screen now.